What's the most common mistakes that people make investing in crypto? It's actually the most common mistake that people make in any type of investment. The most common mistake is to go with a trend and perhaps a friend's advice. So often people say this crypto is going to do super well, and actually you're buying at the peak. So in other words, lots of people have piled into a particular crypto and you're buying, sure, it's done 10%, but is it going to keep doing 10%? So the most common mistake is take advice from a friend or from somebody else and pile into something that's just made a huge run. If you're investing money, then you should always diversify. You should always make sure that you don't just talk to one person, but you actually get professional financial advice. Invest into the best things and then you don't try and time the market. Just remember, you can't time the market. No successful investor has ever been successful by timing it. You look at the top people, Warren Buffett, Ray Dalio, all their success is by choosing quality investing for the longer term. You see a stock going down or crypto going down, you think, oh, it's cheap now. Don't try and catch a falling knife. Actually make sure you're going into quality and you're invested in the right things. Professional advice is really good to have, particularly if you get it from De Vere.